Hi, my name is Jinel Sherbo Baloyot. I will present about how to cope up with mental health issue like depression, anxiety, or suicide. Sometimes we stop caring about ourselves and start thinking about others, and when you don't get the same love and attention, you will depress. It also happens when at workplace you are unable to talk or ask for a help from our colleagues due to competition and please. The environment can also take a toll on your well-being. Being a human, our health is almost important. So first, start self-care. Second, start with the breathing exercise whenever you get anxiety or overwhelming feelings. Third, read any motivation book. Fourth, sing song even if